The all-new 2024 model Mercedes-Benz GLE 450 Diesel Coupé is one of the best daily drivers out there. It feels like an SUV S-Class level already. We will be not taking it on the Autobahn, unfortunately.
A few moments later.
200. Super smooth. Hello guys, I am back today, welcoming you inside the all-new 2024 model Mercedes-Benz GLE 450 Diesel Coupé. And in today's video I want to give you a first drive and we will be doing some very funny things. First things first, let me talk about the car in specific. If you haven't watched the walk around yet, click the info box above. There's the full walk around of the exterior. We'll be also giving you an exterior view in a minute. But before we do that, let me talk about the numbers. So the base price for a GLE Coupé for the facelifted model is at 97,000 euros in Germany. The 450 diesel model that we have here comes from factory at 109,000 euros, and the version that we have here is the 6-cylinder 450 diesel model, which comes with a 3-liter diesel engine producing 367 horsepower. We do the 0 to 100 sprint in 5.6 seconds, and as all GLE models now come as a hybrid, as a mild hybrid, we have the integrated starter generator boosting the engine, giving us 20 more horses, and yeah, it's giving us a way smoother ride. Let me jump outside, give you a quick tour of the outside. It's freezing cold, but here you have it from the outside. Extremely nice AMG line finish is with the Alpine grey exterior paint. We have the night package 450 diesel specific coupe. If you want to watch the full walk around, check the info box above here. Amazing look on this. How do you guys like it? Let's talk. Let's just jump inside and start the driving. In the inside, it's extremely comfortable. Let me put the seatbelts on. We have the ambient colors here welcoming us. In the inside we have a very nice interior option with the bright beige interior, also with the black leather here, and the top is also finished in beige, but unfortunately no panoramic sunroof. This is the only thing missing. Apart from that, we have the non-AMG line steering wheel here, so you can also go with the AMG line interior, so you will get another steering wheel. Putting the car into drive, there's something that's extremely special before we start. Did you know that this car can actually bounce? As we have the e-active body control, you can do this. Go to your off-road menu, which you will find here in the menu, then you can go up to assistance, and then you have the free driving mode. But as soon as you start clicking it, it will always say function unavailable. Why? Because you need to be setting the car into off-road mode first. You're activating the drive program, and then you will go back. You will be clicking that again. It will still say that the function is unavailable because you need to put the car into drive. As soon as you set the car in drive, just watch this. Then when the car is set in off-road mode, you can just click that here, free driving mode, and start bouncing inside the GLE. You even get here the free driving mode active, information on your screen. The car is bouncing and you can even move. You see that? Up to 15 kilometers an hour. It's one of the coolest features, I'm telling you. We'll be also putting you some videos of how that looks from the outside. I think it will be bouncing for like 20 seconds or something, and then you can just restart it again. Then you also have this cool animation of the car jumping around. It's pretty cool. Why do we even have this feature? I mean, 99% of all the customers, they use it to impress people, or when they are at a traffic light, they do that to entertain the passengers or people around. It's actually one of the coolest features, honestly. As soon as you're inside, it's just, wow, it's cool. So why do we have that? Let me just stop it here. We have this feature to get us unstuck in stuck situations. I mean, this is an SUV car, so you can go and take it for off-road. And when you do that, sometimes you get stuck in snow, mud, or let's say in sand. And to get you unstuck, you can use this feature to do that. I even tried it on snow and it really works. It's super helpful, but I've never ever used it properly. It only comes with the e-active body control. For the GLS Maybach models, it's always coming from factory, but for the GLE and GLS models, the base versions, it's always an option. Let me put the car into comfort here and start the drive. We have the diesel 6-cylinder engine here. You can already hear a bit of the engine. There you go. I'm telling you right away, this car is one of the most comfortable since we have the e-active body control. The e-active body control suspension will cost you, I think, more than 6,000 euros. So you will be getting the Airmatic, the air suspension, and in addition to that you will need to order the e-active body control to make your car bounce, and you will also have the curve mode. So as soon as you have a curve, just like right here, it will balance the car and it will feel extremely comfortable. It's not like you move inside the curve, it will keep everything stabilized inside, and this is one of the coolest features, especially when you're driving on curvy roads, mountain roads, whatever. A second thing that I have to mention is the traffic light view that we have here, because right now I can't see the traffic light. I get that with the camera here. Just taking the turn, as soon as we're taking the turn, again, really smooth since we have the curve mode activated. I'm honest with you, this GLE 450 diesel coupe is one of the best daily drivers out there. I'm telling you right away. I think this configuration that we have here with the AMG line, the Alpine gray exterior paint, and the overall setup here also with the suspension, we are at almost 140,000 euros in Germany for this car here in specific, for the test car. But I'm telling you, it feels like an SUV S-Class level already. Look how smooth the steering is, how the car's balancing the driving here. It feels absolutely perfect. Yet again, here in the curves, it's pretty easy, super nice the way the car is sitting and balancing it out on the other side of the car, just to make it as smooth as possible. This is something I really love. You feel like driving an SUV Maybach, just without all the Maybach features. Just talking about the suspension. Apart from that, I just wanted to give you a first driving impression here of the diesel facelifted coupe. Just wanted to share my first ever drive with this here. On the drivetrain side of view, there is no big changes with the facelift, only that it comes as a mild hybrid. So the starter generator is supporting the drive here, making it way smoother. And then in addition, with the e-active body control suspension that we have here, which is an option, as I mentioned, it feels like driving an SUV Maybach. It's extremely comfortable. We've done, I think, over 1,000, 2,000 kilometers with this car already. Look, almost 3,000 kilometers we've done with this. We did a road trip in Germany, and driving this car is just the best thing to do, because you don't get tired at all after driving for 10 hours. We couldn't complain at all. I mean, you can just sit right inside here on these extremely comfortable seats and enjoy a massage, for example. It's just the best thing you can do. Let me also give you a quick Autobahn driving here. The Autobahn is a bit crowded. Yet again, here the curve mode, the way it balances this ride is, it's absolutely stunning. It's really breathtaking. Yet again, look, we have the curve here. I'm just driving here single hand. It doesn't even feel like, I don't even feel like driving in a curve right now. Just so simple. Let me put the car into sport. Okay. Throttle. You have a bit of wind noises. 200. Super smooth. Let's break it down here. I hope you enjoyed today's drive inside the all new GLE Coupé. I have to say I'm a huge fan of it. I really love it. This car is one of the best daily drivers. How do you guys like it? Please share it in the comment section below. Already looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.